Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout or tracking activity on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once the menu opens, you should see the option called Start Training. If you don't see it, you can scroll through the menu by pressing the up and down buttons. So select the Start Training option and then press the middle button. And here you have a list of workouts you can start. You can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons. So find the workout you would like to start. For example, cycling. And to start the workout, you can press the middle button. It's gonna say recording started, and it's gonna start recording your activity. While you're recording, you can go through different pages of information. We have the default information, we have the altitudes, I believe, we have the heart rates, GPS, but there's no GPS signal, and the time, or rather time of date and stuff like that. To pause the recording, you can press the back button, like that. To unpause it, you can press the start middle button rather. And also, if you pause the recording, you can press the left upper button to open the settings. And here we have some settings during the recording of activities. You have different options like power save settings. You can basically adjust some settings to save the battery life. We have options like backlight, so you can turn on or off the backlight. We have the share HR with other devices if you want to do it, and stuff like that. So you can customize some settings for it. And if you want to stop the recording, you need to press and hold the back button for 3 seconds until you see the recording ended option or other information. And once you see it, you can save or discard the recording. If you want to save it, press the middle button right here, right the middle button, and if you want to discard it, press the back button. Okay, and that's how you start the activity tracking or workout tracking on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.